Alright, here we go with the drone video for a 5-acre tract at Cedar Gap Hollow. This is tract 58. We're looking southerly. The truck is parked on the easement road at the north side of the property. There it is. So this tract borders the easement road on the north and the south, and we're parked on the north, but we're looking to the south. It looks like we have some big clouds rolling in, but we'll get a look at this property. It's the highest on the north and the south, and there's a valley in the middle, which you can already see. That's where the thick timber is. That's also where we found the cool little creek bed. We got a video of that while it was running. It's a safe bet that that's a seasonal creek. It's just a small creek, but very pretty. And we actually found a little spring on the property as well. But again, that's probably not something that runs year-round. As we look off, again, we're looking southerly over the property. Off in the distance, you can see Highway 60. That's the main east-west road in southern Missouri. If you go west on Highway 60 for about 30 miles, you will get to the Springfield area. And Springfield is the largest city in southern Missouri. This property is also about 5 minutes from Seymour, Missouri, which is to the west, and Mansfield, well, 5 miles, I should say. 5 miles to the west and 5 miles to the east from Mansfield, Missouri. Both small towns, but they do have convenience stores and restaurants and that kind of good stuff. So we're getting a great look at the overall area here. Very private. The wildlife is phenomenal. The white-tailed deer and turkey population out here is just incredible. And the bonus on this property is that at least part of the year you've got that water source, you've got that creek bed, so that really tends to draw in the wildlife. As we look off to the south, you can actually see the Cedar Gap Conservation Area off in the distance. It's about 400 acres of public land that is generally open for hunting and hiking and that kind of good stuff. So that's nearby as well. You're also getting a look at part of the easement road system at Cedar Gap Hollow. These are private easement roads, so they're just for property owners, not for public use, which is very nice. And it looks like we're going to come in close and probably do a complete flyover here. So you'll have a lot of different building sites based on what we're seeing right here. Probably better sites on the north side versus the south side, and there's the valley in the center, and then right up to the easement road on the south side. Your building options on the south side are probably limited because it looks like it slopes down fairly quickly. But I mean that's kind of based on just seeing this video and looking at the topo map. If you get out there and hunt around a little bit, I mean, with a 5-acre tract, you're going to have a lot of different options. So now we're moving northerly. The bigger timber you see, that's in the valley area. The rest of the property is a mixture of wooded and open, with looks to be more open than wooded. Really fun place to have a four-wheeler or a side-by-side. The little creek bed itself is just beautiful. It was really fun doing that video in the creek bed. I didn't personally do the drone video or I think I didn't do the ground videos on this one either. A couple of us were down in that creek bed checking it out, and so we filmed that, and we'll try to get that on the listing page as well. Looks like some kind of trail on the property going down to the creek bed. Not sure about that. Could be something from the logging. Actually, if you look at that tree at the end of the trail that's over the creek bed, that looks like the exact spot where we did the video in the creek bed and found the little spring coming right out of the hillside. Interesting tract, very private, but obviously in a fantastic area. Very, very hard to find a property like this. So if you're not already on the website, check that out, and we hope to hear from you.